Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually upload a video to Google Slide from YouTube. Right, so the first thing you want to do is to open up the email. Then we're going to come to right here to this 9 o'clock here. We're going to scroll down, we're going to look for slide. So this itself is slide. You're going to click on a slide. As you notice, all of these are template. But what we want is a blank slide. We're going to click here on the blank. Alright, if you notice this one itself here actually have something on it, right? But what I wanted to do here, I want to get rid of this slide by clicking on it, that the picture can actually run on it. See me? Right here, so say click add subtitle, so click it here. Now we actually have a blank slide here. So what I wanted to do is to get the video from YouTube to put directly on this slide. So all we're going to do is we're going to come right here to insert. When you click on insert, right, you're going to click right here on video, and then you're going to bring up this YouTube stuff here. Then you go write the name of the video, right? So you're going to say set of numbers here, and then you're going to press here, I press enter. You notice you bring up all of these, so you select the number, click by clicking on it, and right down here say cancel, and select, and you click. When you click, there you go. This is self on the video. This is video on it, so you can actually spread it out like this. I can actually come just like that on it, right? And if you want to put it in the presentation mode, you can come right up here and then you click it, and notice this is self with the video, right? You can actually click the video just like that. If you notice, what we want to discuss first is, right, I can come right, and then I can come back right here, and then I can stop it. And if you notice, I can come right here as the screen and click here. I can press the escape key and get back down like that. Right, so very important here that you actually know exactly how to do this thing. Right, you notice you go right back to the ordinary section. So this is exactly how we actually insert a video from YouTube into our Google Slide. Right, so very important here that we learn this particular thing here. Alright, so share it.